We get an authentic Thai chef to take us to the market to buy some fresh ingredients and then over to her jungle kitchen to learn how to cook up a Thai feast. Keep watching. This was an amazing day. Alright, so today we're doing something a bit different. Since I like cooking and I'm on the grill when we're on our outdoors adventures, when we're overlanding, I like making fusion dishes. I thought that taking a private cooking class to learn some of the local Thai dishes will be a perfect day to spend during our holiday here. So I took the class, I booked it, I'm waiting for the car to come pick us up, and me and Saja, who's a perfect partner because she loves cooking too, are heading towards a private cooking class. This is gonna be epic. Booked this, I found them online and they have a pickup and a drop-off service, so we opted to go for the pickup and the drop-off service. Hopefully we find the driver. You excited? The villa we're renting has an awkward entrance, but the driver found us and we were off to our first spot, which is a local market. Sadika, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Good?
You?
Good.
Chel and
Mark.
Mark, nice to meet
and
you.
Saja.
Saja.
Yes.
Saja, nice to meet you. Now I'm gonna take you look ingredient in the market first.
Okay, perfect.
Yes, right on.
This is gonna be fun. They're very difficult for them to say Martala, so I use Mark. 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 It works.
Chili, the small one, the name is bird eye chili. Very
Bird
hot.
eye chili, yeah?
Yes, very hot. And this one is the chili powder. And the garlic shallot.
Garlics and shallots.
One is with flour. Okay.
Banana flour.
Yeah, this is become a banana bunch.
Oh,
Okay.
wow.
Yeah. Normally, Thai people serve this one with the pad thai.
Okay.
Or it can make like banana flour salad or making soup.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Banana flowers. I never knew they existed.
And this one is dry papaya. And
So just shopping from the local market is an experience on its own. All the ingredients are so fresh, you can smell them. They're up in your ear, your nose, I mean. They're all up in your nose. Huh.
and this one, Mark, this one is
Ear mushroom.
it's like an ear. We go ear mushroom.
That's it, Saja. Look what it
This
feels
one,
like.
young peppercorn.
It feels like an ear.
ตัวงอกด้วย10 บาทนะ
Oh my god, this feels like skin.
Ear mushrooms.
Feel this.
And this one is oyster mushroom. This one straw mushroom.
A lot of mushrooms,
Straw
yeah?
mushroom, yes.
Oyster mushrooms.
Yes. ว่าจะบาทนะ
And then, you wanna see?
Cabbage.
Saja? That's worms.
What?
Pickled worms. See them? Right here in front of you. See?
We're not gonna eat those, are
No,
we?
of course not. That's pickled worms. And see? See, there's something pickled in there also.
I don't like the smell.
Yalla. The market experience was amazing, but it was time for us to head out towards the kitchen.
Okay.
So
And bye bye na. I see you at the class.
Okay?
Now Reem gonna take you to the class and I see you there in 5 minutes.
Okay.
Bye bye. See you.
Bye.
That's fine.
That was fun. So that was our experience in the market. We got all of the ingredients. We're heading back towards the car and then going to go to the restaurant where we're going to be cooking.
The best part. No, this and that. Everything's the best.
So we're done with the market. That was a really nice experience, wasn't it? Yeah? So many different ingredients, a lot of different eggplants.
I've never seen most of those before.
Different shapes and sizes. Anyway, now we're off to Miss Chel's restaurant where we're going to be learning how to make 4 dishes. The Miss Chel's restaurant is located very close to the Big Buddha in Phuket. It's actually in a small village and it's called the Jungle Restaurant because it's in the middle of the jungle. This was an epic setting for a really great activity that you can do with your kids or on your own. The Jungle Restaurant at Karon, Phuket. That's where our class is. So the Jungle Restaurant is located in this awesome spot. Look at this place. Perfect. We'll be taking our Thai cooking classes right here. This quiet little restaurant is located in the middle of the jungle. It is amazing. The views that you have are out of this world. And then the kitchen. The setup was amazing, and with those views, I couldn't wait to get started. So we put on our aprons and we got ready to cook up a Thai feast.
Okay, let's see the ingredient. What we're gonna use for the vegetable spring roll today will be the spring onions,
Okay?
cabbage, baby corn, carrot, garlic, and this one is glass noodle.
Perfect.
Okay, we're gonna start from preparation of the ingredient the same time.
Okay?
Okay, cutting. First one, garlic.
Okay. So off we went, chopping away until we got all the ingredients done, got them into the frying pan, got them fried, and then came the most difficult part, rolling the spring rolls.
Okay.
A bit of egg on the corner and then you roll it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Alright, now your turn. Yeah. You're not like a...
How well do you think we're gonna do this?
Good.
Let's try. I'm gonna try and do the wrapper. That's one. I think I did a pretty good job. Okay, now we do number 2. Saja, being the expert that she is, was a lot better at doing this than I am. She got hers done in no time. So these are the spring rolls, if you can believe it, that me and Saja just made. You ready to try them?
They're not as hot.
Okay, try them.
Very hot, yeah. I turn on the fan.
Here we go. Nice bit of Thai chili sauce on it, and so simple, so delicious. Next, we're gonna be making tom yum. Honestly, I got lucky when I found Miss Chel's class online because she explained every single ingredient, what its importance was, and how you need to cook it. We had a blast making our first spring rolls and making our first tom yum soup. Yeah, go Saja, sit down. Take your soup. I made tom yum, and Saja made tom yum, and we're gonna go eat it now. Okay, so I probably need to cut back on the spicy a little bit, I think. These small, authentic little adventures that we have when we go on our holidays are what make memories that will last forever. And Thailand has a million of these opportunities for whoever wants to visit. Me and Saja had an awesome time. We learned how to make some really good food, and it's a memory that me and her will cherish forever. So this is as authentic as Thai food gets. I had an amazing time here. Saja had a great time. This is something that you should do with your kids so they can learn how to make different dishes. Now I'm definitely going to be making some of these dishes on our overlanding trip. They're super easy. It takes about 10 minutes to make them if you have the right ingredients. And this was an experience that I think both of us are never ever going to forget. It was amazing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content, more things to do with your family, and more great adventures.